who are boarding.
Komiti ya bookamedi ya tlhalosa ka bokhutshwane ka moento o tlang wa COVID-19. SAHPRA e re dithulaganyo tsa go atlanegisa moento di gare di tswelela pele.
We've got the following products being authorized. It is the AstraZeneca that was authorized under Section 21. It is the Pfizer-BioNTech that was authorized also under Section 21. We have the Janssen J&J vaccine that has conditional market authorization. We also have the Sinovac Coronavac vaccine that was recently authorized. Now, the time frame that it takes, and as we've indicated, we've expedited our processes. And on average, depending on the quality of the submission, depending on the information that's available at the time, it would take us about 90 working days or so.
The animal data will overlap with the lab data. The lab data overlaps with the phase 1 or phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. These studies overlap. And even when we introduce these vaccines, what we now are developing and we have is what's called an effectiveness study, where we look at breakthrough infections. We say how effective and how safe are these vaccines once we introduce them to the wider community. So you can't stop with these clinical trials. You have to look at them for the wider community.
Russian Sputnik V le yona e santse e sekasekwa. Ka fa go jelengwe SAHPRA e re e santse e ela dipegelo tlhoko morago ga moento.
In total, so one individual can report one or more than one adverse events. So in total, there's been about 3,730 adverse events following immunization that have been reported. And we then analyze that against these 2 vaccines that have been rolled out in the country.
SAHPRA e eme ka la gore ivermectin ga e ka ke ya dirisetswa go alafa COVID-19.
We're not receiving as many reports as per these applications, and would really like to urge, the healthcare practitioners to report wherein they've got this authorization from us, because we need to be able to collect as much data as we possibly can.
SAHPRA e re e tshwanetse go neelwa lefelo le ka dirang tiro ka tokologo kwa ntle ga kgatelelo.